last time on Adventure Shorts how my players survived a collapsing bell tower. Some of them used Featherfall, obviously. Our fighter decided to run down the side of the collapsing tower as it was falling, managing to outrun the, I guess, implosion or whatever. But the dwarf cleric had my favorite solution, which was to climb inside the bell and press himself up against the sides and just let the tower fall on him. As the dust settled, the bell just sort of rolled around and just finally came to a stop, and he clambered out, clearly shaken. I guess you could say, had his bell rung.